Hello and welcome to Lakay, the new Haiti social media platform built by Gesner Deslandes, software engineer at globalinternet.py. Lakay is more than just a social network. It is a digital home for every Haitian, where you can share your culture, your stories, your knowledge, and your dreams. Whether you are in Haiti or abroad, this platform connects you to your roots and to a community that cares. How to sign up? Getting started is easy. Visit our app at this link. https://globalinternet.py-4jd6wqq8n4damegmkh.streamlit.app. Just click the link, and you will land on our homepage. From there, click on the Sign Up tab, enter your email address, choose a password that is at least 6 characters long, and provide your full name. After you submit, check your email inbox and also your spam folder for a confirmation link from us. Click that link to verify your account. This step is required before you can log in. Then return to the app, select the Login tab, and sign in with the same email and password. That is it, you are now part of the Lakay family. How the social media works. Once you are logged in, you can post updates, photos, and videos. You can react with emojis, comment, and share posts with your friends. The feed is designed like a cord, it shuffles posts from different users so that everyone gets a fair chance to be seen. You can also go live, send and receive gifts, chat privately, and make video calls. Our live streaming feature lets you broadcast to your followers, and viewers can support you with virtual gifts. We also have a satellite map for fun, and you can watch World Cup matches live right on the platform. Free apps from globalinternet.py. As a member of Lakay, you get free access to an entire suite of powerful applications built by globalinternet.py. Each app is designed to help you learn, create, and grow. First, there is the Global Radar, a surveillance tool that covers Haiti and the Dominican Republic. It teaches you about air traffic, maritime detection, and satellite tracking. You will gain skills in geolocation and data analysis. Next is the AI Math Solver, which can solve any math exercise step by step, with voice explanation. It covers mathematics, physics, chemistry, and even academic English. This app is perfect for students and anyone who wants to sharpen their problem-solving abilities. We also have a document filler that automates filling out PDF forms and Word templates, a great skill for administrative tasks and office work. The Web Structure Cloner allows you to extract the design and code of any website, helping you learn web development and design. For fun and brain training, we offer a chess versus machine game, a puzzle game, and a whiteboard software for drawing and collaboration. Each of these apps develops critical thinking, creativity, and digital literacy. All these tools are completely free and available to every user of Lakay. You can access them directly from the sidebar of the app. Why Lakay matters? This platform is built by a Haitian engineer for Haitians and the Haitian diaspora. It empowers you to share your voice, learn new skills, and connect with others who share your values. Education is at the heart of what we do. Our mission is to make learning accessible and fun. So whether you want to post a beautiful video of Haitian culture, solve a tricky math problem, or simply chat with friends, Lakay is your place. Contact. If you need help, have questions, or want to collaborate, reach out to Gesner Deslandes directly. Phone number is 509-4738-5663, and email is deslandes78@gmail.com. Join us today. Be part of the new Haiti Facebook, where everyone is family. Lakay. Thank you for listening.